Hi everyone, I'm Saiza. Welcome to another episode of Babae Sino Ka. For today's episode, we have a woman who has been making statements in the ballroom scene. She always snatches trophies here and there with her categories. She is the one and only Indy.
Hi! Oh my
Yes!
God, Ma! I'm so
Word.
happy to be here. Kinakabahan ako ng sobra.
And thank you for
Natatakot ako.
being here. Thank you for always saying yes.
Yes, for sure. Actually, natatakot talaga ako kasi parang fan talaga ako ng mga podcast. Nakikinig talaga ako ng mga podcast. Parang to be here, full circle moment.
Word.
Kaya ewan ko kung may makukuha kayo sa recording.
For sure meron. Kasi syempre, di ba, actually, if this is your first time in this podcast, I always feature women who are making impact and really inspires me as well as a
Wow.
woman. Promise, kasi girl, the way you carry yourself, the way you
Thank you,
speak,
Ma.
your energy is very like, girl.
Thank you.
It's
No,
light.
actually, pero thank you rin for guesting me kasi I would have never thought na someone like me, trans woman, like will be guesting in project like this, project that focuses on women na I never expected na somehow magiging part pala ako nito. Parang
Oo naman.
the
because-
little boy in me is so proud right now.
Yes, because you
Thank
know,
you, Ma.
trans women are women. You know, it is that. It's a different experience and it's just showing who you are and being
Period.
real. Girl.
Period.
It's about the energy. It's about
Yes.
how you carry yourself.
Yeah, and I
Yun.
love it. You love it for
Diba?
me.
Of course. Of course. Diba? And I also see how independent you are.
Actually, Ma.
Diba? Kasi congratulations. I saw that
Thank
you have your own
you.
space.
Yeah, I just transfer
Diba?
into the new space.
Yeah.
In the metro lang. Kasi yung before medyo malayo siya sa mga function. So, medyo mas magasto siya for me. Yung right now, at least mas less expense. And mas peaceful. Kasi
Word.
new place, new peace. Yes.
At saka follow her on her Insta, on her socials kasi the way she shows her lifestyle, aesthetic girl.
Yeah.
I love it.
They say, they call me like cozy girl.
Yes.
Because I'm really cozy. If you, makakapunta ka sa bahay, sobrang cozy lang ng vibes ko lagi. Gusto ko talaga yung peaceful. I protect my peace talaga kasi I believe it's important.
Yes, it is what it is. Kasi for us to be able to give good energy, we have to make sure yung space natin is clean, is always like
Yes.
yung energy na talagang gusto mo. Kasi
Yes.
you attract good energy, especially if you take good care of your surrounding and
Yes.
yourself, most importantly.
And
Diba?
kung rin, like for example, sa mga function, para rin, nakikip ko yung sanity ko kasi yung life natin, medyo mas more tayo, mas lagi tayo nasa labas,
Yeah.
tayo yung pinapanood ng mga tao.
Yeah.
So somehow, parang after the function, gusto ko meron akong katahimikan, may mga
Yes.
ganun ako. Kasi nga, my God, yung mga function, hindi siya tahimik So medyo masakit siya sa tenga.
It can be like crazy.
Yeah.
Pwede kang
So,
maalog. So it's
yeah.
really up to
It's
you
important
to make sure.
din na balance.
Yes.
Meron kang me time.
Yes.
Meron ka rin time with your friends.
Yes.
Like, buksaan na.
Love that. Love that for you.
Yes, thank you, Ma. Thank
Diba?
you.
At saka, kita naman how you take good care of yourself, how you take good care of your skin, your hair. So, share mo naman sa atin, like, what is your, like, basic skincare and, like, your favorite products na ginagamit?
May basic skincare. Sabihin ko lang din na actually I'm a dry skin. Meron akong dry skin. So, more on moisturizer ako,
Yeah.
more on serum ako. Like yung mga pang-pag-glow talaga. Kasi pag hindi ako nagmo-moisturizer, ayoko nang dry yung face ko.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God, it's a no.
Yeah.
And my favorite moisturizer, I would say, hindi dahil in-sponsor nila ako. I would say Skintific is really good moisturizer. If you
Yes.
guys watch my videos, lahat yon totoo. Like, yung moisturizer nila, gamit na gamit ko
Yeah.
talaga. And like vitamins. I take
Yes.
vitamins to keep my skin
Glowing.
Di ba, ma?
Yeah, true. Kasi syempre, you have to take good care of yourself, not just on the outside,
Yes, but in the inside.
Yes.
Tsaka it might sound cliche, taking a lot of water. Actually, dati ko pa yung napakinggan or nabasa na mag-take ng maraming water para daw gumanda yung skin. I don't know kung totoo.
I feel like it's
Let's
true.
just ask the audience.
What say you?
Diba?
Oo,
Diba,
it's
ma?
true. Kasi actually, alam mo, ako rin, dry skin rin ako.
Wala parehas tayo, ma. Skin
Dry
tipid.
din. True. Kaya talagang I always moisturize. Pero guilty rin ako na hindi ako masyadong mainom ng tubig. Pero I try. I try my best.
Actually, parang minsan nga natatakot ako na baka like, meron bang too much consumption ng water? Like, masama ba yun? Kasi parang lagi akong ma-drink ng water talaga. Like, sobra.
I feel like that's good.
Okay lang
I feel
naman.
like that's good.
Okay, I
Yeah.
think I'm good.
Yes. At saka kita naman, di ba? Girl. Without a doubt.
Okay.
And
I'll keep that.
Yes.
Sige ma. I'll keep more water.
More water.
Drink your water,
Hydrate.
guys. Drink your
Yes.
water.
Especially dito sa Philippines, napakainit.
Yeah, sobrang init.
Unpredictable
Tsaka
ng
yun
weather.
pa, parang yung hirap sa dry skin. Since more on moisturizer tayo, ang hirap din na more on moisturizer kasi paglabas mo sobrang lagkit
True.
din. Kaya dapat
True.
balance pa rin, guys.
True.
Yes.
Kaya talagang it's really finding the right product for you.
Yeah, actually mahirap din siya mahal. Like, skincare is actually a privilege.
Yeah.
And I'm grateful na I was able to spend it for myself. Kasi hindi siya birong gastos. Like,
investment din siya.
investment.
Luxury rin siya,
Luxury, ayun. Luxury nasa mind ko talaga.
Yeah. Kasi lalo na madaming steps or depende sa'yo.
Like,
kung ano yung gusto
patong-patong,
mo.
di ba, ma?
Diba? Pero syempre, gusto natin yan. Kailangan i-maintain ang kagandahan.
For the face, for the skin.
Yes. Diba?
But it's all worth it naman.
Yes, exactly. And if you don't know, Indie has been winning different categories in ballroom, realness, sex siren,
Yes.
all that. She's been channeling her energy just to being true to herself. And ang nakaka-inspire then is you're not really doing too much. It's how you stare, the way she looks, the way she carries herself, ibang energy.
Actually,
As
natawa din ako man
in.
na, never ko na isip before na magsisex siren ako. Kasi yung fantasy ko before talaga, before ako pumasok ng function, face talaga. Kasi feeling ko, ang ganda-ganda ko. I got the face.
Naman, yes.
Tapos, when we started having sex appeal, dun ko siya na-discover na parang, oh my God, I got this pala.
You're feeling it. You're
And then,
feeling yourself.
ayun, ang sarap din parang yung learn ng categories and each time I'm still learning and masaya siyang experience.
Yes.
Hindi lang siya parang magaling na ako, parang ganon. Ang
Yeah.
saya din na every time you learn something. Kasi 'di ba sa function naman alam naman natin na hindi ka laging panalo.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
na-humble down talaga ako na parang dati pag nakuha ko na yung panalo, akin na to sunod-sunod.
Yeah,
Parang,
yeah.
hindi pala ganon, guys.
Yeah.
Hindi siya ganon. So, it's a
Yeah.
learning experience talaga.
That's true. Kasi
Diba, ma?
siya every function, there's a different moment. There's a different feeling. So, may chance talaga lahat to win as long as you
Yeah.
put your effort to it. And with that being said, how do you prepare for a function? How do you prepare yourself? Mentally, physically, emotionally,
Well,
everything?
before a function, sabi ko naman kanina, yung sanity ko talaga, like, before the function, gusto ko, like, may enough sleep ako, meron akong me time before makipag-socialize. Kasi hindi talaga ako yung, like, madaldal na tao. Kaya actually, sobrang kinakabahan ko ngayon. Hindi ako marunong mag-keep ng conversation. So, parang, nire-ready ko yung sarili ko. Meron akong routine na habang nagme-makeup ako, meron akong good vibe music, yung mga ganyan.
Yes,
Tapos,
work.
I take my time. Kasi pag nagmamadali ako, parang lalo ako nape-pressure. Na parang, oh my God, anong oras na? Malilate ako. And ayoko na late.
Yeah.
Ayoko na late. Kaya, ayun, I take my time and enough sleep.
Yeah.
And then, yun lang. Make-up.
True, totoo. Kasi kailangan, pag pumapasok tayo sa function, as in talaga, nag-internalize ka eh. Kasi di ba
Oo,
minsan,
actually, ma.
iba-iba rin yung theme per category.
O, tsaka may binibuild kang character na.
Yes,
Actually.
exactly. May ibang persona na pumapasok every
Yes.
time. And a ball is still a competition.
Tsaka parang may click siya na
Yes.
parang ito yung pambahay ko. Tapos biglang, okay, six siren.
Yes, may
Parang
switch ng
ganun,
energy,
may switch
no? May
talaga
switch
siya.
ng mood
Oo,
na
ma.
parang, bam! And as a woman, it's hard. It can be difficult to
Actually.
switch like moods, the energy, especially if you're doing so many things, ganyan. Kaya power din siya. Power siya ng
Actually.
babae na parang, girl.
Parang, ano din, sometimes then I actually love it na I got that power. Kasi
Yeah.
I feel powerful na I can switch from this to this. And I have the control
Yeah.
na if I can be like strong fierce and I can be calm
Yeah.
and the cozy girl that I am.
Yes.
Tapos, nasi-switch ko lang siya from time to time. Nakaka-proud.
Actually,
Diba?
it's something. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung energy mo nung Bulagbog Ball, nung parang sumasayaw-sayaw ka
True.
na. Kaya feel na, parang iba nagugulo-gulo na.
Oo,
pero ikaw
kasi
lang,
ano din,
you're just
like,
chill.
Madalas din, lagi akong kinakabahan, ma. So, I parang,
Dun mo
I
siya
shake it off.
china-channel.
Oo, I shake it off. Kasi, kahit roll call lang,
Yeah.
kinakabahan pa rin ako until now.
Pero
Like,
hindi halata.
kinakabahan pa rin ako. Kaya, parang, okay, bahala kayo dyan. Basta ako, I am on my own world na. Parang
Having that
ganon.
unbothered feeling, no?
Yeah,
Okay rin
actually,
yun. Actually. Okay siya na parang minsan kapag sobrang gulo ng mundo, you have to,
Yes.
encapsulate. Tama ba yung word?
Actually,
Kailangan meron ka sarili mong bubble na parang, wait lang, I have to like,
Hindi, saka parang, kailangan siya sa atin kasi
Yeah.
we give the show.
yes.
So,
yes, it's true.
We make it and we have to make sure if we put it out, o kung hindi man buo, at least it's there.
yeah, and it's
Diba?
true and authentic.
Yeah, and it's
Yun yung
authentic.
importante.
Kaya mahirap. Kaya
Yeah.
Kaya
Yeah.
kailangan mong paghandaan din.
Yes, kasi you can't fake it eh, 'di ba? Kapag
Actually,
nakita
ako,
na
fake it till you make it ako. Fake it till you make it ako kasi lagi akong kinakabahan.
Pero I mean, the energy, 'di ba?
Yeah, pero the
Kapag
energy,
bam.
you can fake it.
Yeah, 'di ba?
Pero like, kung kinakabahan ka, you can fake it. Pero, fake it till you make it.
You have to have it.
Yeah, you have to have it. Sabi nga nila, it takes a nerve.
Yes,
diba?
exactly. It takes balls to walk balls. Yun talaga yun. It
Ooh,
takes
I don't have
of
that.
it takes a lot of energy and feeling to like, of course, you're putting your vulnerability on the floor.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes,
Yun din
that-
yun eh. Kasi
that.
everyone's eyes are on you. Diba?
Yes.
So parang dapat dead ka. Just do your thing. Ganun siya.
Oo. Tsaka parang, Diyos ko, parang ang daming tao na hindi kayang gumitna.
That's
Actually,
true.
may stage fright ako dati na work it out ko lang. Work it out.
Yun naman importante eh. Kasi parang, and having people supporting you, having your family,
Yeah.
having your
My
friends,
friends.
being there for you, like, 'di ba? Yun yung important thing.
And ano din kasi, hindi rin ako nahirapan because yung community din.
Yeah.
It's very
Exactly.
Excuse me. It's very welcoming.
Yeah.
Na hindi ako nahirapan na i-express yung sarili ko. Because the community itself, they're open to you. They're open to welcome what you can offer. And hindi siya mahirap for someone na gusto mag-express. Kasi nga, it's a safe space.
Yeah.
It's there talaga for that reason.
Yeah.
Kaya, I love it.
Yes. And with
I
that
love
being
the
said,
function.
balingan. Ba yan? Balikan natin. How did you discover ballroom? How did you find out the community here in the Philippines?
Okay, yung ballroom, it was the pandemic.
Okay,
And
during the pandemic.
Netflix, yung series na post,
Yes.
we all know that.
Yes.
Parang dahil naman doon naging mainstream din
Yeah, that's
yung
true.
ballroom. So, napanood ko na siya before. And then, may isang Pride March. Pride March something, 2022. We met some people, tapos nagka-follow sa IG, naging mutuals. And then they invited me na parang, uy, if you wanna come, may ball. Actually, it was the Encanto ball. It was my first ball.
Work.
And
sa
then,
Camelot.
Yes, sa Camelot. And then, sobrang uneducated pa ako about sa culture. Like, nag-walk ako ng face, nag-walk ako ng realness, without even knowing ano ba yung mga, like,
Yeah.
background ng mga categories na yun.
You just showed up. And
Yeah.
like, feel.
And na-feel ko lang, tas medyo nakakatawa yung eksena ko before. Pero since, like, gusto ko talaga siyang, like, ma-experience kasi nga, the fantasy is there. Like, iba talaga yung fantasy sa ballroom. It gives you the space to be your own star. And, napapractice mo yung what you wanna express, kung ano yung pinagkakait sa'yo ng outside
Society.
world, yan ng society. So, ayun, after that Encanto ball, parang medyo may insecurity side pa ako. Parang 2 years ako hindi ulit pumunta ng ball.
Okay.
And then after 2 years, bumalik ako, sabi ko, okay, I think I'm ready na. And then, when I came back, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. Like, sabi ko, shit, pwede ba yun, ma?
Okay lang yan.
Sabi ko, actually, talaga siya, may magic siya for me. Kasi even before, wala akong life talaga. After graduating senior high, nag-pandemic na. So, hindi na rin ako nakahanap ng work. Hindi na rin I was not able to enter college kasi we were not financially stable at that time. So, I was lost, like, really lost. Parang, sabi ko, saan ako mapupunta? Saan pupunta yung buhay ko? And when I entered ballroom, parang, it hits me na, oh my God, pwede palang maging may something yung life ko. And ang dami naging opportunity actually when I entered. And ayun, I love the magic that it gives. That's why I don't think I will never leave
Yes. Word.
the
The space. Ballroom.
the space, the function, the community. Kasi yung community talaga, grabe. Kahit gano'n sabihin ng mga tao na shady yung mga ballroom, like, yung ballroom naman, puro shade lang yan. Puro malditahan, puro away. Like, nag-aaway sa runway, nag-aaway sa floor. Pero, like, you guys need to look kasi, like, the further. Yung, talaga yung purpose ng community. Actually, di ba ma, we help each other to get gigs, to get jobs, to book the girls.
Yeah.
And it's something that hindi ko ever in-expect na ito pala yung effect ng ballroom. Kasi suppose, lang siya eh. Like, it's a full fantasy.
Yeah.
And hindi siya masyadong natakal sa post. Kasi nga, syempre, lang siya, it's just a series. Hindi naman talaga siya yung lifetime experience.
Yeah.
So, I'm grateful for the opportunities that Ballroom gave me.
Yeah.
And I will be forever thankful.
Yes. And I'm excited for more opportunities that'll come your
Ah,
way. Of
thank
course,
you.
there'll be more, for sure.
Thank
Lalo
you.
na you're so consistent in what you do. You're so true in what you show sa videos mo, sa lifestyle mo, and how you just be you.
Tsaka din, parang I think important din mag-show up.
Yeah.
Kasi
Exactly.
it's important to keep the community alive.
Yes. Kasi, yun nga, tama rin, balikan ko lang yung sinabi mo kanina, parang akala nila it's very messy. It can be messy. It is
Yes.
messy. It is a competition. Pero the important thing is, after that, we really help each other as much as we can.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi syempre hindi rin naman siya everyday or hindi lahat agad-agad mabibigyan ng opportunity or matutulungan. Pero one step at a time, we're here for each other as much as we can. Yun
Tsaka
siya.
parang hindi lang siya sa jobs. Like,
Yeah.
you build each other talaga.
Yes.
You got each other's back.
Yeah.
Parang,
Yun.
since the society is so cruel,
Yeah. Yeah.
we're cruel to each other.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, cruel na yung world sa amin. So,
That's
shady
true.
kami sa each other, pero hindi talaga.
Yeah.
Diba?
End of the day, it's really about the community, about lifting each other up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like really finding the space wherein you can just be you. Ganun siya. And I'm so happy you found your
Actually,
way here.
di ba, ma,
At
parang
hindi ka umalis na parang after mo na experience na parang 2 years
I don't know if natatandaan mo ma
Ganyan.
before, parang Renaissance or mga ganong ball pa, like
Sa
that
ano,
era.
Mighty Reel?
That era. Parang, I don't know kung if Mighty Reel. Tapos, nilalapitan mo kami, yung mga kids. So sabi ko, hala, parang ang open naman nila, parang kinakamusta nyo lahat. Tapos sabi ko, mag-isa lang po ako. Sabi ko, ganun sa'yo, ma. Sabi niya, okay lang yan. Feel welcome, feel welcome. Tapos, after nun, sabi ko, nag-start na siya na parang, parang di nila ako in-elbow. Kasi parang, as someone na, harsh yung world, sanay akong, kung sino yung mas magaling, kung sino yung mas matalino, kung sino yung mas maganda, sila lang yung pinapansin. Kasi ganun naman talaga sa labas.
Yeah.
Sa atin, nung mga unang function ko, like, na-feel ko talaga na I'm welcome. Which, nag-help sa akin to stay.
Yeah.
Kaya hanggang ngayon, you can still see me.
Yes. Yes. And I feel like yun rin yung importante na mapass rin sa next generation kasi it'll be your turn. It'll be your time to like tap the young ones na parang, girls, we're here. You got us. I'm your bigger sister. Na parang I'll help to guide you. Yun yung importante na talagang napapass yung torch and like, kaya rin ganito nag-expand yung scene natin. Kasi like, alam mo yun, yung parang,
napapasa yung purpose.
Yes, exactly. Na yung utak ko, wala na. Yung binabalik mo kung ano yung na-feel mo. Kasi ako rin ganun, actually rin ako nag-start, na parang,
paano mo pala naman na find out yung ballroom? Never ko yung, na ano yun. As a host na siya.
Ganun rin siya. Parang, originally as a dance artist, as I wanted to tap on to my femininity. Kasi dati parang, yung mga sayawan namin, very like, hip-hop, iba-ibang style,
like
very
lacking,
masculine, ganyan. Tapos parang I wanna feel like a woman. I wanna feel my femininity. I wanna feel that energy. Tapos nung nakita ko yung parang, ay, ganun yung movement nila. Parang, ay, yung art. Parang,
diba? Sobrang feminine lang.
Ito, parang feel ko siya. Ganun siya. Ganun siya nag-start. Pero syempre, it was a difficult journey rin for me at that time. Kasi, iba pa yung access.
Saka wala pa here sa Philippines.
Yeah.
Masyado.
So, talaga invest, ganyan, mahirap. Pero laban lang, gano'n. Kasi if we really want something, diba, we're gonna be here. And like you, since you felt the light of the community, you're here.
Yeah.
And let's just keep sharing our light to each other and the community.
Ano naman, I try to.
Yes.
I try to.
Actually, isa rin yun sa reasons kung ba't kita in-invite dun sa project last year. That's why we had that video. It was a quick one. Kasi, like, sabi ko, she got something.
Actually, yun talaga, like, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako sa project na Babae Sino Ka. Kasi nga, yun nga, as I mentioned earlier, hindi ko talaga in-expect na someday I will be, guesting sa project focusing on women. Sobrang ko siyang na-enjoy and yung ginawa natin that time, sobrang arte-arte lang. Like, finantasi mo lang yung face, pinamake-upan mo lang kami, pinasuotan mo lang kami ng damit. And I love it. Kasi, iba't ibang type of women din yung nakasama ko.
That's true. Kasi, this project is already expanding and it also really started in ballroom. First ever, parang I wanna focus on the women in ballroom nung una. And now it's expanding, like, since marami na rin tayong nami-meet na other artists, especially in ballroom, it's not just those who walk, pero everyone who's contributing in ballroom, who's helping from the community, from, alam mo yung mga outside organizations, like artists, writers, they also help.
At saka ang dami ding babaeng artists na hindi na pagtutuunan ng pansin.
The purpose of this project is to highlight women who just does what they want to do and just like showcases themselves and who are true.
What they do is amazing things.
Yes, na parang it's a small thing is an inspiration to everyone.
Actually.
And yun siya. Kasi mahirap, sobrang hirap.
Pero ikaw ma-inspiration ka sa mga babae.
Ay, sana.
Kasi,
hopefully,
ginas mo kami,
I'm doing my
tapos
best.
You've been bringing space to the girls and you've been bringing function to the community.
I appreciate that.
So,
trying our
you're
best
one
all
of
the
the
time.
girls na big inspiration ng madami, I'm sure.
Thank you.
I'm
And
sure.
ikaw din, for sure. Kaya ka nga nandito.
Yes, kaya nga kami nakikita dito na. Di ba?
Work. Ganun siya. I feel like, alam mo yung lagi lang sinasabi na parang, ang babae, para yan sumulong, kailangan lang talaga may isa pang babae na talaga maglilift sa kanya.
Yes. We lift each other up.
Yes.
Kasi
exactly.
parang tayo lang naman yung magtutulungan.
Yes.
Kasi,
That's true.
yes.
Kasi mahirap po. Mahirap talaga.
Actually, yes. Parang
Kala nyo ganda lang, pero kahit magpaganda, matagal rin effort din siya.
Nung transition din ako, parang sabi ko, oh my God, ganito pala yung buhay. Hindi siya madali.
Yeah.
So, if ever there are kids thinking of transitioning, womanhood is not easy. Everyone will judge you. Everyone will see you as someone na kailangan may patunayan. And kailangan, if you wanna transition, you got the power. Kailangan ma-own mo yung power para hindi yun makukuha ng iba sa'yo.
Yes.
Hindi kaya nilang ibaba yung energy mo.
Yeah.
Kaya it's important.
Yeah.
It's important talaga.
It's something no one can ever take away from you. You just have to own it.
Yeah.
Like, always wear a crown. Alam mo yun? Yung parang feeling na parang,
Atisa Manalo.
I have it. Yes, gano'n. You always have it. Kasi di ba lahat naman tayo, iba-iba yung dreams. Iba-iba yung parang gustong ma-achieve in life. We have to stay true to that vision, to our dreams, to our
Actually.
purpose. And siguro sometimes, mafe-feel mo na parang you'd be lost or parang hindi mo alam kung saan yung direction. You have your sisters to help you and guide you. Pero like, it's always up to you to figure out.
Tsaka ang amazing din ng mga sisterhood. Like, yung mga little things na pipicturean ka nila, yung mga little things na yung may makukuha kang tips from makeup, na you will never get somewhere.
Yeah.
Na sa mga sisters mo lang makukuha yung mga tips and tricks about mga pananamit.
Yeah.
Kaya I really adore the sisterhood that I also had nung naano ko sa ballroom. Kasi
Yeah.
parang grabe din yung sisterhood na nagkaroon ako after pumasok ako ng ballroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, the girls, the dolls.
Yes, ganun siya. So, if you want to say anything to someone, to a girl out there who wants to come in ballroom, what is your message?
Okay. For the girls who wanna come in to the ballroom, I just wanna say that there's really magic in ballroom. And if you wanna earn that power, like what I said, if you wanna have kasi alam naman natin sa mga sarili natin, you have something.
Yes, yes.
If you wanna find a space or a place that you can practice that's ballroom for you, babe. Kasi they will never judge you for who you are. You can express whoever you want to express, and they will never say na, babae ka, dapat hindi ka nagmamalaswang damit. Babae ka, dapat prim and proper ka lang. Hindi siya ganun sa ballroom. Be who you are, and I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo. But also, it's a safe space eh.
Yeah.
So, it's for you na to explore the fantasy of the ballroom.
Yes.
Kasi it's important talaga, especially the culture. Kasi nagsimula din man siya mga way back churut pa.
Yeah,
So, it's
that's true.
important din.
Yeah. Don't be afraid. Huwag kayo matakot
Yeah, don't
sa
be afraid.
space.
Don't be afraid. Masaya siya. Actually, masaya talaga siyang experience. Like, hindi ko talaga paulit-ulit ko sasabihin, there's a magic. There's a magic talaga in ballroom. Ayun yung title ng podcast, Magic in Ballroom.
Magic. If you want to experience magic, let's go.
Magic.
Come in. Sige, pag-usapan naman natin yung outside ballroom na ginagawa mo.
Go.
Especially yung right now, your consistency and sharing your tips, your get ready with me,
Yes,
eksena, ganyan. Kasi
yes.
nakikita ko, she's getting consistent. And she's like,
Yes.
you're really enjoying what you're doing. So how did that start, actually?
Ever since, when I was studying, mahilig na talaga ako sa media. Mahilig ako sa art. Hindi ako, academically performer. So, pag may dance, pag may mga sabayang pagbigkas, alam mo yun, mga sabayang pagbigkas sa school, doon ako nag-i-enjoy. And then, pag may mga practice, gusto ko yung ako sa klase, like, na-excuse ako sa klase. May group
practice.
May practice po kami. So, yun, na-practice ko doon na parang, I enjoy creating.
Yeah.
I enjoy doing something entertaining. Kaya, parang, after kong mag-schooling, I tried it. Parang, I really feel like it's for me. Sabi kong ganun. Pero, nag-stop siya kasi nga, mas less opportunate ako. That time, wala pa akong mga gamit. And I don't know how to navigate pa the world of like, di ko pa alam na dapat may content ka to make yourself entertaining.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Ever since naman, it's in me na talaga. Artsy na talaga ako. Mahilig akong mag-edit ng videos.
Yes.
I love creating. Basta I love creating. Everything about creating something art, I really do enjoy. That's why, if ever, sabi ko sa sarili ko, if ever na kung ano yung ikabubuhay ko, ito yun.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba important din man na yung ikabubuhay mo, yung magiging work mo, yung something that you love.
Yes, exactly.
Kasi parang if mag-work ka for something na hindi ka nag-e-enjoy, it will be draining.
Yeah, mababurnout ka lang.
Yeah, burn
Tapos
out.
eventually, aalis ka, hindi mo na siya gagawin.
Yes. So, important talaga na you do what you love and you love what you do.
Yes!
Diba?
Pasok!
You do what you love what you do.
Exactly. Kasi dun ka talaga mag-shoot up na parang hindi siya work for you.
Yeah.
It's like just simply doing.
Tsaka, I enjoy talaga. Like, excited ako mag-shoot every time. Excited ako mag-edit.
Yeah.
Like, excited ako mag-isip ng ideas. And I'm thankful din na susurpresa ako na may mga brands na lumalapit.
Yes!
I never expected na for a small or micro content creator like me, hindi ko inakala na may mga brands pa rin palang talagang lalapit.
Yeah.
And ang happy ko lang. Kasi
I'm
nga,
happy
it's
for
something
you.
na gusto ko talagang gawin ever since.
Yeah. Diba?
And napapractice ko na siya ngayon.
Diba? Perfect. Ganun. It's about consistency.
Yes.
And yun talaga, it's really loving what you do. And actually, I'll be honest, kasi sa pag nakita ko, si Indy, may content na naman siya. Sabi ko, perfect, girl. I love it.
Parang, dumating
parang-
siya na every week, myself, pinipili ko yung sarili ko na, dapat every week may content ako.
Yes. Napupush ka talaga,
Oo,
no?
kasi gusto ko siya eh.
Yeah.
Like, tsaka gusto ko, papansin po talaga kasi ako.
And it's not a bad thing.
And it's not a
diba?
bad thing. You love that for me.
Yes.
Diba
Winner
nga?
ka dun. Totoo. Kasi syempre, lang talaga, just feel and do. And like, yun.
Ayun talaga, it's important na if you do what you love, it will pay back.
Yeah.
It will, parang, hindi mo ina-expect na makukuha mo na pala yung kapalit ng mga ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
And, nag-e-enjoy na lang ako. Ganun.
Yes. Nakatuwa. O sige, dahil dyan, meron akong question.
Hala!
Ano
Hindi
y-
sa manalo.
ano yung dream cola brand mo in the future? Bilang, ayan na yung direction mo, nasa beauty ka na, brands are slowly tapping in.
Ooh.
So, let's try to manifest.
Brand?
Sino ang gusto mong maka-work? Like, a dream brand that you like, I feel like, pag ito, I will always say yes. I'll just say yes. Go.
Siguro, yung mga yung mga designer brand
yeah,
na, yung
yeah.
mga on the top na, ng mga
Yeah.
Dior,
Yes.
Chanel, yung
Yeah.
mga ganong, syempre,
Doon tayo sa mahal,
doon tayo sa pinakamataas.
Oo, diba?
Syempre,
Why not?
you keep getting higher.
Yeah.
And I feel like if may ganun akong collab, I feel like I made it.
Yes.
Charot.
Let's wait for that to happen.
Yeah.
At saka syempre kung mag-aim ka na lang doon na sa
Tsaka
mataas,
parang
diba?
ang fantasy nung ikaw na yung ano nila, yung ambassador nila.
Yeah, that's
I wanna
true.
be the ambassador.
That's true.
Ambassadress.
And it's not impossible.
Yes.
Anything
I
is
manifest.
possible. Just shout
Let's
it to the
say
universe.
it out loud to the universe because I know they can hear us.
Yes.
It's so
Let's
powerful,
go.
actually.
Let's go. Ching!
Actually, mahilig din ako mag-manifest talaga. Mahilig akong... I always say this, kahit sa mga ka-close friends ko na, can you manifest this with me? Like, sabihin mo siya out loud
Yeah.
kasi para mas malakas yung nasa-shoutout sa universe. Kasi mahilig din talaga ako. I believe in manifesting. I believe in the energy of the universe.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's something that I believe.
I believe that the true... Charot.
I believe that the children of the future.
I believe in my beauty and my beauty is me.
Yes.
Ganon. Ay, totoo naman. Sino ba bang maniniwala sa atin kundi tayo lang, di ba? As in, talagang, girl, if ikaw mismo yung magda-down sa sarili mo, wala mangyayari. So, you just have to like, be there and do it for you. Kasi no one else will do it for you.
Just
Diba?
yourself.
True.
No
True.
one can help you but yourself.
Yeah, that's true. And with that being said, lalabas siya. Lalabas siya kapag nakikita na ikaw mismo, you're
Yeah.
ready. You're ready. If
You're
you're ready for the
genuine.
blessings,
Yeah.
it'll come. If you're like, kasi kung negative ka, lalong wala.
Yeah,
Lalong,
tsaka parang kung hindi ka ready, it will not come for you. Kasi
Yeah.
alam ng universe na hindi mo siya mapapangalagaan ng
Yeah.
maayos.
So, ano ka lang talaga? Just be open.
Yeah, I'm
Just
an
like-
open energy. I take whatever the universe gives me,
Yes.
but not the negativity.
Yes.
We don't take negativity
Yes.
here.
I love that.
Diba?
Work. Lalo na ngayon, di ba? 2026, girl.
Oh my
It's
God, Happy
time.
New Year, ma! Ngayon ko lang Ngayon ko lang na-realize, Happy New Year, everyone. Ay, hindi pala.
Yes. Tama naman.
So, ano pala ito?
Tama naman. Kasi di ba,
Charot.
it's a new year, new energy.
Yes.
It's time to, anong tawag dyan?
Set up for something bigger.
Something bigger, exactly. And
Dapat every time, we dream of something bigger.
yes, exactly.
Kasi we only live once. So, every time, just aspire to be the bigger and the most version of yourself. Diba, ma? Tama ba?
Yes.
Tama ba? Nagtanong?
Yes, 100%. Yes.
Yes.
O, dahil dyan, since 2026, what is something that you are looking forward to?
I'm looking forward. Kasi noong 2025, I felt like it was my year. Ang dami kong achievement noong 2025. Like, nakalipat ako, I had my own place, and I did what I love to do. And 2026, gusto ko lang siyang i-keep. Gusto ko lang siyang magtuloy-tuloy kasi I know yung life is unexpected. Anything can happen.
Yeah.
And that's something that I don't look forward na parang magiba or like masira yung what I have achieved and the peace that I have always protect.
Yes.
And I will be always the cozy girl still in 2026.
Yes, the cozy girl.
I love being cozy talaga, ma.
Yes, I love. Ang ganda nga nung couch mo eh. Sabi ko, ay, taray.
Send ko sa yung link.
Work,
Send ko sa yung link,
I
ma.
love.
Marketplace lang yun.
Sabi ko, ay, taray. I love that for her.
Tsaka ang hilig ko din mag-shopping. Like, isa siya sa mga
Therapeutic, ba?
therapy.
siya.
Like, as a woman, ang sarap mag-shopping.
Yeah.
Like, when I was younger, like, bakit ba yung mga girls ang hilig mag-shopping? And then, nandun na ako sa situation, ito pala yun.
Kaya pala.
Ito pala yun. Yes.
Yes.
Ang sarap mag-shopping, di ba, ma?
Yeah. Oo.
You feel me?
Yes, I feel you. Kahit na medyo nagtitipid ako today. Today lang.
Ay, yeah. Tsaka
Today lang.
magtitipid pala sa 2026. Magtitipid sa 2026.
Yeah, work. Kasi ako rin, parang I wanna buy things that I only need. Kasi feeling ko from
Actually.
previous year, parang, go, bili lang ng
Pero at
bili.
least, di ba ma, nag-give mo
Pero
sa
masaya
sarili
pa rin
mo.
siya.
Nag-give mo siya
Masaya
sa sarili mo.
siya. That's
Nanggagaslight.
Ngayon, kailangan lang maging mas like
Mindful.
pag-iisipan. Tama ba? Do I need
Mindful.
this? Do I want this? Do I have space for my wants? Do I have extra money to spend for my wants? Ganyan. Ganon, wala lang.
Let's be more mindful and cutesy this 2026 on what we spend.
Yes, exactly. Pero syempre kung kung relax, kung beach. Beach girl ka rin, 'di ba? Beach girl ka rin ba or chill lang?
Yes. I love getting tanned. Also, I feel like one of my power is my color.
Yes.
I really loved my color. I learned to embrace the color that I have. Kasi nung bata ako, may gluta, may mga papaya soap na pampaputi. Lahat yan nagamit ko. Since sabi nga ng mga tao, hindi maganda yung kulay na what I have. And when I learned to love it, parang, oh my God, ang ganda ko pala sa kulay na to. Bakit ko binabago?
Yeah.
So, mahilig ako mag-beach, mahilig ako magpatan. And ang saya din kasi ng beach, parang connecting to the nature.
Yes, exactly.
So,
Na-energize ka, no? Parang
oo,
nag-recharge.
like, medyo magastos nga lang. So, hindi ako laging nandun.
Yeah.
Like, hindi siya, like, ganun ka-accessible for me. Since, magastos po talaga. Pero, if ever magkakaroon ako ng chance, siguro, I wanna live somewhere, mga islands. Diba? To be officially an island girl.
Work.
Kasi ako si Nadine.
Saya. Yes.
Ako talaga si Nadine.
Winner. Check ka dyan.
Ay, siya talaga yung ko. Meron akong, anong ba yun, mga 3 horsemen ba yung tawag doon?
Sige, go.
Meron akong 3 horsemen.
3 go.
Ay, basta yun na yun.
Sure.
Yung,
3 inspirations or top 3
parang the
sino
lords.
yung mga yan?
Si Nadine.
Actually, vibe nga kayo, V.
Right, ma?
Girl. Oo.
Si Kylie Versosa.
Ay, taray. Okay.
Tsaka si Megan Fox.
Ay.
Sila yung, when I was transitioning.
Channeling.
Yeah, ito yung tatlong spirit animal ko na parang, I aspire to be like them. I wanna be them. I wanna look like them. So, feeling ko pati yung mga hobbies nila na ko, yung pati yung mga character nila, nagagaya ko, yung parang ganon. So, yun lang. I wanna be Nadine, I wanna be Island Girl, I wanna be Kylie Versosa, I wanna be the pageant girl, I wanna be Megan Fox. Ano ba siya? Basta mas hot siya, sexy siya. Yeah, the sex siren that she is.
Yes. I love
Period.
and combining those 3 personas. That's
what
indie.
made me.
Diba?
Yes.
Diba? Ganun siya eh. And it's okay. It's something na parang having people and all women look up to since meron kang ganung inspiration.
Yes.
Yun talaga eh.
Yeah.
Ano siya sa'yo eh. And yung mga inspiration mo, hindi naman sila mga nega. As in,
Yeah, tsaka parang you have
they
a
have their
guide.
own personalities.
Yeah, you have a guide na parang if
They're
lost
strong
ka.
women.
Yeah, if
na,
lost ka, they're strong women to aspire.
Yeah.
To be inspired, diba?
Siyempre, hindi naman tayo mag-aspire ng mga chakabels, mga
Exactly.
negative. So, doon tayo
Exactly.
sa makakapag-help sa atin to expand and be better versions of ourselves. Yun pala. Kaya
Period.
pala. Ayun pala.
Diba, na-share ko pa yun. Naisip ko bigla.
I love that.
Pero yun talaga yung
Yes.
ko dati talaga, thoughts ko na, ito yung tatlong ko. Spirit animal nga.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi pala ako siya dun sa horsemen. Horsewomen na lang. Horsewomen.
I love that. At saka gusto ko yung sinabi mo kanina na kasi totoo yun eh, na parang, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, parang ang feeling lang nila, maganda ka lang kapag maputi ka.
Yes.
Diba? Na parang, girl,
We have to stop that. Actually, until
we're
now.
embracing our morena skin because we are beautiful. This is what beauty looks like. This is what beautiful is.
Tsaka ang ganda kaya, ang ganda, ang shining ng
Mas
balat.
natural.
Yeah. Tsaka, if you love your skin din, it shows.
Yeah.
Na parang,
Exactly.
For me, mas maganda sa akin yung mga girls na loving their skin.
Yeah. Embracing
Embracing who they are.
themselves.
Themselves.
Yeah, yun kasi yung totoo. And as a woman, once you learn how to love every inch of your body, like the good, the bad, parang wala ka na makikitang bad. As in, embrace mo
Actually.
siya. As in, own mo siya and turn that into your power and people will feel, people will see. And that's
Tsaka parang
the
yun nga, yung
beauty.
sabi ko kanina, hindi nila kayang kunin sa'yo kasi nga,
Yes.
it's already your power.
Yes.
Like, okay, maitim yung balat ko, then what? What about it?
Yeah.
I actually think I'm beautiful with it.
Yeah.
So you can take it from me.
Yes. It's what, ano ba to? Ba't pa kasi nag-i-English? It's what's mali pa rin!
Tama,
Yun yung
tama.
nakakapagpa-unique sa ating lahat. Kapag ini-embrace natin yung sarili nating flaws, no one will see it. Pag nafe-feel mo siya na parang, girl, I don't have any of that. Kasi, love ko yung sarili ko. Bakit ba? Sino ka
Yeah.
dyan? Ganyan. Bala ka dyan.
Yeah.
Ganon.
We have to love ourselves.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
To be the
Diba?
star that we are.
Yes. Kasi ang dami nang something eh, diba? So, let's just own it.
Tsaka whatever yung sabihin nila sa'yo, hindi ka na maapektuhan.
Yes, exactly.
Kasi nga, nagawa
doesn't
ka na.
matter.
Yeah. Na-build up ka na as someone that you really love as
Yes,
yourself.
Yes. And as a woman, it takes all the energy, it takes all those experiences to build us a strong woman. And di naman namin sinasabi na ano na tayo, ito na yung perfect. Syempre,
Yeah.
lahat tayo nag-grow pa rin.
We're still,
We always learn
life
new things.
is a learning process talaga.
Yes. Always.
And even sabihin natin na babae is powerful, may ano pa din, may something to improve.
Yes, always.
And that what makes life purposeful, that what makes life exciting. Kasi ayun talaga yun eh, ayun yung purpose ng life. Especially yung life ng woman. It's very exciting.
Yes.
Although,
Yes.
like, madami lang talagang barricades.
Maraming struggles.
Maraming
We go through a
struggles.
lot of things.
Yes, pero it's exciting. I can say, like, being a woman is something that I look forward kung ano yung mga challenges, kung ano yung mga whatever the world will bring to me.
And whatever it is, the important thing is we always like fight back.
Yes.
We always rise. We always like fight lang. We always carry our heads up, always with the
Chin
crown. Ganyan, that feeling, that energy. And it's really up to you to always like lift your head up. Because at the end of the day, it's all about yun nga, yung sinasabi mo kanina, always keeping your peace.
Yes.
Always having that energy for
Yes.
you.
Because it's important
Always water your own soil for you to
Yeah.
grow.
to be the plant, to be the biggest plant in the world.
Ganun, di ba? Bilang babae,
Ba't ba tayo nag-i-English ba?
Kaya nga eh. Nakakaloka.
Napapa-English ka, be. Oh my
Ganyan.
God. Pero
Oh
yun
my
talaga,
gosh.
like,
Yeah.
ano talaga siya, it's a long journey.
It's a long journey. Yes, exactly.
Na para matutunan siya, everything.
Yes.
Pero hindi mo naman talaga matututunan lahat.
Yeah.
It's still out there.
Yeah. And 'di ba, from our conversation, na feel nyo na at nakita nyo kung bakit she is part of this project, because how she protects her peace, how she carries herself, how she is patient with her growth and true to what she does
Yeah.
in everything. She is an inspiration, not just in the ballroom scene, but in the community, in the world. Yung mga young kids who are like wondering, who are like questioning their power, like what Indy mentioned, it's all about owning it, honing
It's all
it.
about the power that you earn.
Yes, exactly. Any last statement that you would want to share to the future, whether if it's in ballroom or outside ballroom, because for sure,
Ano ba?
they
Ano
would
bang
wanna
message
hear
ko to the girls
anything.
out
Yeah.
there? To the women.
Yeah.
Text ko na lang.
Ano number nyo?
Ano na, igagawa ko GC. Igagawa ko GC natin. Hindi, ano lang, parang keep being powerful. Because being a woman is already powerful, but keep that power. Ayun naman, yung mga words naman na nasasabi natin kanina pa, ayun naman talaga yung mga important things. And enjoy the womanhood because it's womanhood.
Yeah.
And ano ba masasabi ko sa mga girls? keep loving yourself.
Yes.
Keep loving
exactly.
yourself.
Yes.
Because if you love yourself, everything will come to you talaga.
everything will flow.
Everything, like, the energy will come to you, the good vibes. If you keep loving yourself, ano talaga, lahat nandyan na.
Yes.
Basta you love yourself. Just love yourself, guys.
Work. Thank you, Indy.
Thank you,
for
Ma.
your
Thank you for
time.
guesting
Thank you for
me.
being here, of course.
And also, ano lang, I just want to shout out my piece for
Yes.
for tonight, today, whatever time you're watching or you're listening. I just want to shout out Saint Bodega. Saint loves you for my
Yes.
clothing. She styled me today.
Work.
Yeah, thank you. Also, she's a powerful girl. So,
yes.
book
O,
her.
diba?
Book her.
Behind a beautiful woman is also a powerful woman.
Exactly.
Being there to help you with all your shit.
Yeah, kasi we help each other out. Yun naman
Yes.
talaga yung purpose.
Exactly.
Thank you, Ma.
Yes, thank you, sis.
Enjoy ako. Kahit kinakabahan
I
ako
hope you had
sobra.
fun.
Sobra. Kasi nga, fun talaga ako.
Yes.
I'm excited to watch myself. To
Yes.
listen to myself. Sana may makuha kayo.
Yeah,
sa
for
edit.
sure. For sure. For
Thank
sure.
you.
And of
Thank
course,
you.
we would also like to thank this place. We are Shapeshifters. And don't forget to follow Indy.
Yeah, follow
socials,
me
yeah.
on my socials, Indy, INDY, Rouge, like Vogue, but it's pronounced as Rouge, INDYROUGE, Indie Rouge on my socials, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. Everywhere. Follow me everywhere.
Yes, thank you. So that's
Thank
it for
you.
today. Bye.
Thank you, Mom.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, guys.